here today bringing you another vlog. Not only are we bringing you another video today, but I got a feeling you guys are gonna absolutely love what we have going on. You can probably tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, it's not something I would usually film or I've ever filmed before, so that's why I'm very excited to be out here today. I am joined with two homeboys of mine. We got Andrew, Mr. Peachy, 2018. We got Teddy, and today, this video is gonna revolve around his car. So with it not having to do much with my car, kind of sad because I really want to drive it, but it would just be a little too much to, you know, try to film his car while driving mine. But we can say hello. I know you want to go out and play, Blue. Maybe we can come grab you later, but for this one, you have to stay here. I will miss her. Anyways, guys, right now we have to stop and do a couple errands real quick to make this video possible. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna hop in Andrew's car, so you know you can get a little look of Teddy's as well. His car's been on the channel many of times along with Andrew's, so should be no surprise to you exactly what this thing can do. But yeah, I got a feeling this one's gonna be really fun. I'm super stoked. I guess we'll see how it turns out, but look at these beauts. We got Andrew's beautiful 2018 right here. If you guys want to check him out on Instagram, his Instagram's right here, Quicksilver50. And now for the meat and potatoes of this video, we have this beast right here. This is Teddy's car. It's a 2011, and you might notice he has that GT 500 front end that he recently just did, and golly, it gave this car such an aggressive look. So if you want to check him out on Instagram, it's Teddy S197. It's right here on the screen. Go drop him a follow as well. And not only does this car look good, but it sounds even better. Yeah, that backfire you just saw, that's what we're using today as a weapon. But all right, boys, you ready to head out and go hit this store and pick up some fun items?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Oof, this interior though. Good day, sir.
What's up, man?
All right. This is why I want a newer car, dude. It's so comfy. All right, guys, so we're now in Andrew's car, as you know. We're gonna head to the store. I think we're gonna hit just like a Dollar General or Family Dollar. Reason for that is because we're actually gonna try to blow shit up with Teddy's two-step today. As you saw previously, that backfire can definitely do some damage, and I think it's gonna be a really fun video. So we're going there. We're gonna get 5 different items. We have about 3 of them. I think we know what we're gonna get, and the other 2, I guess we'll just wing. It's the dollar store. I'm sure we can find something to really fuck up with the two-step. But anyways, guys, we're gonna cruise there, and we'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, so we have made it to Dollar Tree. We got these things parked. We're gonna go inside and do some shopping, right, boys? Yeah. All right, let's do this. Grab a basket, Andrew. You're basket boy. Ready?
Let's do it.
All right, right off the bat, this kind of caught my eye. Okay. What, you said we need 2?
Was that made of foam?
Yeah, it's a foam pumpkin. Oh, see, we got some glasses and stuff right here. Those are plastic, though. Those are no bueno. Wine glasses? Let's get 2 of these. Andrew, catch. But got them. Should we get 2 or should we get more? What do you guys think? Hey, what about photo frames? I think that'd be pretty sweet.
Put JD's picture in it.
Oh, you hear that, JD? Joyride? All right, so I'm thinking 2 of these, 18 by 10, some glass in there. Let's do it. All right, we're definitely grabbing one of these. You know, this glitter kind of caught my eye. I think we're gonna try to find a use for this. We're gonna grab some duct tape. Dude, that is nuts. Like, that's all you get. It'll work though. Probably came across the most important thing. Let's go ahead and grab 2 of these for Andrew and I.
18 decibels, so if you're pushing like 150, we're like 130.
We're fucked regardless. We're gonna grab 2 of these. Maybe we can get some explosion going. You got a bag, boy? Yo, Andrew. You want some pot? Probably will need like some stands to put most of this stuff on. We're gonna grab 2 of these buckets. These are gonna be like the stands to set things on top. Go ahead and grab 2 of these knickknacks. Oh, we gotta do the skull too. Let's get both of them. I figured the buckets would be cool for a stand. I think we're gonna need a stand for a lot of it. I got skulls, I got knickknacks, I got some cool shit in there. Whoa, you grabbing more? All right, guys, so we do have a lot of stuff to blow up. While we're blowing shit up with the two-step, we're actually gonna need a broom and dustpan. Gotta clean our mess, because I got a feeling we're gonna make a pretty big mess, so gotta find that. So that's our broom. God damn, that's gonna suck. All right, so we found the broom. It's pretty weak sauce, not gonna lie. But we have a basket full of stuff. We have a bucket with some cool things as well. And I don't know, guys, I mean, some fruit would be really cool. Like a watermelon and stuff.
Yeah.
Think we should do it? Let's do it. Let's find something.
Yeah, let me get 2 of them actually. And then,
We're having a hell of a party.
Thank you.
Everybody gets a pen.
Yeah, it's an expensive.
Oh, I thought I had it, I'm sorry.
He's already breaking them and we haven't even got him to the car.
All right, guys. The trip to Dollar General, Dollar Tree, success. We got some shit. The door's right here, Teddy.
Yeah, kinda.
All right, but so right now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the car. I know I'm holding this kind of weird because Andrew handed it to me. And we almost broke the wine glasses already before we even hit the two-step. But we're gonna grab some food, and I think we're gonna hit like a grocery store to get like a watermelon and, you know, some other things like tomatoes or something. Yeah, let me drop this off and we'll pick this vlog right back up. We're loaded up. Let's keep this video alive, boys. Oh, Andrew,
Gotcha.
Get a cart. Let's get it.
This is
really inexpensive video now. Hopefully no one gets in trouble.
Yeah, it's DerekBaranProductions.
Remember that, guys.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Alright, so we got our stuff. We got questions. We're already sus as it is, so I think it's just time to get this over with.
Yeah, that smells good.
All right, so target run is done. As for all the objects, we have quite a few, and I think we have enough, to be honest with you. And on another note, I definitely think this is gonna be a success. I don't know why, but something's telling me it's gonna be a really fun video and enjoyable to watch. So really quick, guys, drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and I wanna welcome you guys that are just now watching this. And yeah, we do a bunch of car content, guys. You have to subscribe, so subscribe right now. Tell them, man.
Do it, man.
Just tell them, just tell them.
Fun. We're having fun, and it's you know, it's cool stuff.
Cars and blowing shit up, like, how much better can it get? But yes, guys, it's almost show time. I'm stoked, but here we go. So we just got to the first spot. We kind of have a couple spots on hand just in case we get kicked out. I think this one will work. It's pretty low key, and you can see Teddy's gonna back up into there. And you know, we're on this side street. I filmed many videos on this actually, and it looks like they just repaved it. But yes, we got Teddy lining up right now. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a long day. This is gonna be a long day. Dude, we might get the cops called. Keep going, right there. Good. So we just got Teddy's car all parked up. We're gonna go into the trunk, grab our bag of goodies, and we're gonna start prepping for this. What would you say, honestly? You think we're gonna get kicked out? It's a hit or miss right now, dude.
If we do it like 10 times in a row, probably.
Dude, it's gonna be about 20.
Yeah,
we have so much shit.
For gang fights. There's a gang fight over there.
Well, yeah, guys, we're gonna start getting this set up, and we'll see what we're starting with first. All right, guys, we are just about ready to step on our first object. We got S197 Teddy's car ready to go. We have all this space. Let's go check out some of the things we're gonna be blowing up today. So first off, safety first, especially with this loud ass car. We got some really bad earmuffs, but we won't talk about that. We got some small foam pumpkins here. We got some skulls. We got some cheese popcorn. Hopefully we can have a little, you know, popcorn machine going on. Some light bulbs. We got Elvin and Theodore here just chilling. We got some buckets used for some stands. 2 different sizes of wine cups. We also got Barbie. We're about to blow that face right up. We got some glitter for some glitter bombs to get some more effects. We got some duct tape to take people hostage. And most importantly, we have picture for, that's not actually important. And the grand finale is that hurt. That pumpkin. What you guys think? You ready to do this? I think we should do the small pumpkins first and end it with the big pumpkin. You cool with that? Let's do that. Let's set this shit up.
If you're wearing headphones or earbuds while watching this video, you might want to
fair warning, but let's roll it. Oh my God! That was insane! All right, so first victims got absolutely demolished. It blew up our buckets, which were our standing posts, but we found this box. This should work just fine. We're hitting the little wine glasses. Yeah, we cannot stand behind the car on this one, dude. That pumpkin, we're so lucky. Yeah. But now we have some wine glasses, and not only do we have wine glasses, but we got a little treat for these wine glasses as well. I knew I bought this glitter for a good cause. Glitter bombs, baby. Let's go. Look at this, and we'll do some green in this one.
Oh, we're getting Christmas. Oh, they even say ho ho ho. Look at that.
Check that out. All right, guys, wine glasses are up next. We're gonna stand over there. Enjoy. Oh, shit. Yo, that was sick. Man, those glitter bombs were dope. Get the cleaning, boy. I'm not paying you for nothing. All right, guys, first 2 rounds, absolutely amazing. I'm very stoked so far, but I'm ready for some explosion. Y'all ready for this one? All right, next up, popcorn. All right, round 3, popcorn bags. Let's do it. That was sick.
Being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Dude, look at all this popcorn. This is nuts. It still tastes good. All right, yeah, I'm not cleaning this up. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Guys, round 4. I'm so sorry, Alvin. Tell your brother Theodore I love him. Alvin and Theodore getting blown up. Let her rip, tater chip. Oh, you destroyed the GoPro. Oh my my God, Alvin, where's your arm, buddy? No! Theodore. Oh, you're okay. I would like to award you with Alvin. He's missing an arm. I got Theodore here. Congrats, dude. This video is gonna be insane. Round 5, let's get it. All right, so what we got for round 5?
We got some glass photo frames here.
It would have been perfect to put like JD in both of those. Holy shit, what do you know? Just as I wished for. All right, JD, you got front row seats to my channel, buddy. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys, round 5, picture frames. What do you think?
McGregor.
Yeah, that's damn right. Well, JD, it was a good run, brother. I'm thinking these are up next. Teddy, quick hands. Oh, damn, NFL, OBJ in this bit. We got some skulls of our last victims. We got JD, Joy Dick TV, and Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle. You guys are going down. JD, you better keep that mouth. Oh, wait, you're already taped up. Never mind. Round 6, we got Andrew and JD. Let's do it. Well, it looks like JD Joyride lives to see another day. All right, so we got Barbie here. Yeah! All right, Barbie, you're gorgeous and all, but it's time for you to die. I don't know how well of an idea this is, but we're gonna try it. Give her some. Yo, not me, motherfucker! Cheers, brother. Take a sip.
Hell no.
All right, I believe this is round 7. Barbie and her martini, she's going down.
Bonnie run.
All right, Barbie's going for round 2 real quick. Andrew, take this. I'm gonna set her up really fast. All right, so Barbie seemed to have only lost a leg. That's not good enough, so we're gonna go ahead and brighten up her day. There you go, little lady. Let's go ahead and hold on to that. There you go. You have a fun ride. Well, Barbie, let's face it. I can't get rid of you. Bitch. All right, guys, so that was like 7 rounds of trying to explode something. We have the grand finale right now. Since it is October and Halloween is right around the corner, we're gonna try to split this pumpkin in half. So keep in mind, this pumpkin might take a couple hits. All right, guys, so we have it all set up. Pumpkin is the last thing on our list. All right, Teddy, whenever you're ready. Oh my, oh no! The stem's gone! All right, man, my conclusion, this pumpkin's just too goddamn strong. I mean, look how thick it is. Yeet! But all right, guys, before we go more into this video, we have a lot to clean up. Fucking seeds everywhere, all this trash. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and pick this vlog right back up. We'll see you guys in just a bit. Whew. All right, boys, we did it. Teddy, that was good shit. Andrew, thank you so much for your help. Pretty clean as best as we can get it. I mean, there's a lot of popcorn, but the birds will finish that up for us. But right now, guys, I know you haven't seen many rollers of Teddy's car. But here you go. Absolutely not, no. Feel free to search anything you want. Oh, careful. Yeah. You know, we figured that was gonna happen. Yeah. Do you wanna, can we show you guys what it was? Oh boy, we kinda had this feeling, didn't we?
Yeah. It happened right at the end. Andrew scared the shit out of me. He's like, oh, there's cops. I thought he was messing with me. He's like, no, seriously, there's cops. And sure shit, there was cops. But, all right, guys, we're getting the fuck out of here. Let's roll.
We had 2 gunshots fired out of like 15. You know, it's all good. Back in high school.
Alright guys, so I just got home. Wow, what a video today was. Not only was that super fun to film, but I never thought it would work that well, and pretty happy with it. So if you guys are happy with it as well, and if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a huge thumbs up. It truly means a lot to me, and it'll help out this video, so do your boy a favor, help me out. And make sure you drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Ramsey, which is Grim GT50. Make sure you go check out my boy, drop a follow, do all that good stuff. And if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBPSquad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I see you use it, and boom, shout out. If you're new to the channel, this is your first video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, you will regret it, because you will see more of my videos, I promise you that. So you might as well just fucking do it now. I mean, if you want to do it to the next video and wait, you're gonna do it regardless, so I mean, I just do it now. God damn, I gotta stop rambling. Anyways guys, we will see you Tuesday for another video. Thank you so much for watching, but until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.